Morning, one and all.
Good morning.
Before introducing myself, I want to introduce today's topic, which I want to explain. Today's topic, when I am saying, please listen carefully. Is any doubts is raised for you in the topic? Please ask me. If I have any knowledge, I will explain to you. Question section. And coming to today's topic, I want to ask a question that if we have any problem in our body which was invisible to out and others, how will you check? If I have a stomach pain, if I saying you I have suffering from stomach pain, is it visible to you?
No.
Is it visible?
No.
How will you visible that stomach pain?
Go to doctor and check.
By feeling they are not feeling our stomach pain to others. Is it? Yes. Okay. In English, it's in an abstract term. Okay. Now, that's good. How will you check my stomach pain? My feel. If I feeling very happy, how do you do? What will you understand? I am saying I am feeling stomach pain. Do you understand? Is I really feeling stomach pain? Is I really feeling? Okay, stand.
Tarun?
Same question to you. If I say I am facing with some stomach pain, do you know how much stomach pain I am feeling? Don't. It will understand just stomach pain. If I go to doctor, he will check inside the body. What will happening by CT scan or MRI scan? What is the inside the problem? What is facing by him? It was understood by that. Here, I am explaining about in database management system data models. Data models. Why I am saying this stomach pain doctor for this data models? Data models are defined as logical structure in the database. What is that? It defines data logical structure. We are having addition. It was in a logical structure. First printf scan, print statements, after lists and conditionals. It is in the order. Is it?
Yes.
Here also data models means it defines the logical structure of the database and it models. And what is the data models and what will explains? If a database contains some data, it was processing by each other. If I have Ganesh, my name is Ganesh, and here is Sairam. Ganesh details are different from the Sairam. Is it?
Yes.
What is the inside the database was happening? It was explained by the data models. Okay, are you clear my point?
Yes.
What is the data models? Anyone? What is the data models? It defines the logical structure of the database. It defines logical structure of the database. In data models, we are categorized into three models. We are using those three models. First one is object-based model. Second one is physical-based. Third one is record-based. If I say these names, do you understand what are the models? If I am saying these names, what will do object based and what will do physical based and what will do record based? Do you understand? No. let us discuss about object based first. In the Java we have object oriented language. It is the object oriented language. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, there are we using objects. Then it was called as object oriented language. Is it? Same as like in object based data is depends upon objects which are used in the database. If we use objects, then it is called object based data. Okay. Second, physical based. What is physical based? If we take internal data, means if a table contains some student number, student roll number, and some details of the student, then in internal data, what is student name? Some of the data is given. Is it?
Yes.
Some of the data is given now.
Yes.
Where is the response? Some of the data.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That data was internal. Outer data, if I am taking student name, student roll number, and student address. Okay. These are the outer data. Student name, student roll number, student address. Internal data. What is the internal data? Details of student number, name, student roll number, student address. These are some of the values is there. If we take internal data and convert it into a database, it is called physical based. What is object oriented? Object based, which is based on objects. Is clear my point?
Yes.
Object based data means which are based on the object. Second, physical based, which we taking internal data and convert it into a physical. It is called physical based. And third one is record based. Which are recorded is known as record based. First one, object based. Object based are two types. Entity, data model. Second one, object, data model. What is entity data model? It gives the information of conceptual view. Means in the entity means it was represented by a diagram. Is it? We have in a third unit or second unit. I have forgotten. Entity data model means it gives the representation of in diagram. Entity means we representing as a rectangle. Is it? In the data model gives the information in the diagram. That is called entity data model. Second one is object data model. Now we say object based data means which is based on the object. That as in that object data model means which are dependent on the object. Those are called object data model. Coming to record based, which was the important in the concept of data models. Record based are three types. First one is hierarchical. Second one is network data model. Third one is relational data model. First one is hierarchy. What is meant by hierarchical in general way? Hierarchical means inheritance. Do you know inheritance? From our parents' attributes, their child gets some attributes from the parent. Is it? Same as hierarchical means, if we take a shop, means shop. In shop, so the childs are shopkeeper, customer, salesman. These are the child of the shop. Taking the example of general, shop is the parent, and the children are shopkeeper, customer, and salesman. Here sales manager and shopkeeper is same, but sales manager deals with the payments, and shopkeeper deals with the items in the department store. Then shopkeeper have two childs. One is shopkeeper gets orders from the customers, and shopkeeper gives the orders to the delivery boy. Because from here it is the parent, and from here it is the parent to the orders and delivery boy. Is it? It gives the perfect information